Bond, I'm approaching the boat. What is your position?
I see you. Making my way there now.
Ok. Pas que j'aille là. D'accord qu'il y a personne.
Dare
Hein.
I ask how it's going with Greenway?
I don't think he likes me.
You'll grow on him. He's been through a lot. Nobody could have predicted what would happen back in Slovakia.
Greenway did. He told us 009 couldn't be trusted and we didn't listen.
Then you work with Greenway to bring 009 in.
Roger that.
I'm on board.
Almost there.
Easy does it. We don't know what could be waiting for us.
Le bateau était énorme.
Watch
Ah
your step.
bah ouais.
He has the place booby-trapped.
Of course he has.
Ok, on désarme le piège. On était sur un cargo quoi. Parce que nous on était sur le bateau là-bas. Qui est défoncé là. C'est grand hein. Ça ressemble à peu près à ça. Mais on avait qu'une partie. Alors.
Another booby trap here.
Alors peut-être que j'aille là pour le désamorcer du coup. Ou juste pour passer. On a une autre grenade. Le mec il a mis des trucs partout. On peut monter là mais il y a une autre grenade là. Une autre là. Et il y en a une autre ici. Celle-là par contre. Pas sûr que ça se démorce. Désamorce. Est-ce que tu te démorces toi? Non, tu te démorces pas. Oh!
Cabin straight ahead. Laser trip mines too.
I'm more worried about the ones we can't see. Break a beam and trigger those mines, Beckett will be scraping you off the deck.
Any idea how to disarm?
Negative. But lasers react to particles in the air. That should help you circumvent them and not get blown up.
Noted. Meet you at the cabin door.
Les particules en suspension peuvent permettre de les repérer. C'est chaud, hein. Bagné de bouclier.
Chessboard here.
Partie d'échecs inachevée entre 009 et un mystérieux adversaire. Ah! J'ai raté un truc, je crois. J'ai raté un piège.
Straight ahead. Laser trip mines too.
I'm more worried about the ones we can't see. Break a beam and trigger those mines, Beckett will be scraping you off the deck.
Any idea how to disarm?
Negative. But lasers react to particles in the air.
Je pense qu'il faut que je le contourne celui-là. Tout à l'heure j'ai réussi à l'avoir, mais je pense que c'était un coup de bol. Ou alors c'est au pixel près.
Straight ahead. Laser trip mines too.
I'm more worried about the ones we can't see. Break a beam and trigger those mines, Beckett will be scraping you off the deck.
Any idea how to disarm?
Ah, c'est ça qui m'a...
But lasers react to particles in the air. That should help you circumvent them and not get blown up.
Noted. Meet you at the cabin door.
Ah oui, il y a un laser juste là. Des armes. Ah, j'ai raté un truc. Un clip. Mais du coup, je les désarme comment? Parce que normalement, il y a un laser ici. Voilà. Oh, il y en a un qui passe là. Est-ce que genre... Je peux... Ah, ok.
Bond,
Still here.
take it nice and slow.
Ok. On allume ça aussi. Attention, hein, ouais. Fais bien attention. La facture d'eau. Ah, c'est pas nous qui payons, c'est 009. Par contre, là, faut faire attention. Hop.
Welcome to the jungle.
Indeed.
Puis bon, je pense que ça va, on est sur le... On est sur un bateau, il prend l'eau de la mer, non?
I think he's in there.
Let's find out.
Ah, c'est Greenway, putain,
Get
j'ai eu
the
peur.
door.
Attends, Greenway, je voudrais aller voir ce qu'il y a là-bas. Peut-être un truc à loot. À trouver.
Get back here.
Ah bon, d'accord. Bon, bah, je reviens. Tu me laisses même pas explorer, t'es pas gentil.
If it comes to it, do not hesitate to put him down. On you.
Je crois qu'il s'est fait descendre, le monsieur.
All clear.
Gone. An hour ago, maybe less.
Christ.
Gut shot. Bled out slowly while they worked him over.
Why not just shoot him and be done? Why the mess?
Well, clearly they were trying to make a point.
There's something in his mouth.
Oh. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Des diamants.
Diamonds.
Fakes. Oh, you must have really rubbed someone up the wrong way.
N'empêche, il a contrarié quelqu'un, mais ça faisait combien de temps? 10
Take a
ans
look
qu'il est
around.
en...
See if we can figure out what
En cavale?
transpired between 009 and his uninvited house guests.
Pas très...
What did
Très
you
bien
get
caché, du coup.
yourself into, Beckett?
How did you know the diamonds were fake?
The circular dot reflected inside the stone.
Ah, j'ai pas regardé
It's a
pour les
dead
retourner. Je pense pas.
Knowing how to spot fakes can
Inspectons
get
le
you out
corps.
of a
Le
tight
cadavre
spot.
battu et meurtri de
You
l'agent
master it
renégat du
with
M6
time and
et Rhys
experience.
Beckett,
It
alias
really worked
009.
him over.
Like I said, he really pissed someone off.
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait, lui? Il prend une vidéo? Pour son blog. En direct de la scène de crime.
All those people.
pour son contenu privé.
Damn you, Beckett.
Il va le vendre cher aux ennemis du MI6.
What were you looking at?
Qu'est-ce qu'il regardait?
State-of-the-art triggering mechanism. Could have gotten the materials here.
Why would he hide out here and have left?
Align himself with Bavma. Become untouchable.
Nobody's untouchable.
Is that so? Bond, in here. Take a look at this.
Qu'est-ce qu'on a là? Des plans
Blueprints of the Grand Carpathian. He
du
knew
Grand
where to place the
Carpathian,
bombs.
utilisé par 0909 pour placer ses explosifs à des points stratégiques. C'était l'hôtel, ça? Oui, c'est ça. C'est là où il a tué nos potes.
Yesterday's UK newspapers.
He was keeping up with things.
Someone certainly
La
had in for the
vache.
agency.
Photo de Greenway prise lors d'une mission de reconnaissance. Photo de l'entrée principale du bâtiment à Londres. Du MI6, pardon. Uhum. Pas du tout obsédé, le monsieur.
Taken on the day she was promoted to head of MI6.
Le jour de sa promotion.
HQ. Should we
Les
be
plans
worried about
détaillés
this?
du QG du
Maybe.
MI6.
Keep looking.
Bombe 1, bombe 2.
I think it's safe to say he had a bit of a thing for you.
Clearly.
Murderer. Ah, M en menteuse. Greenway en meurtrier. Chemin.
Looks as though things were moved around.
Marque laissée par des
Maybe he was in the
photos
middle of
déplacées ou
redecorating.
retirées du
Or
tableau.
maybe it was his killer. Or killers.
Why?
The other recruits. Monroe, Bright, Nash, Singh, and Kingsley.
Mhm.
Looks like he was following the rebooted 00 program.
Of course he was.
Now what do you call this?
I call it a picture of you.
Qui est-il?
He had eyes on the apartment.
He had eyes everywhere from the look of it.
Ah oui, mais là, il est carrément... il a piraté l'appartement.
Take a look at this.
What am I looking at?
On the floor. The photograph.
C'est rose. C'est en fait du papier.
Were you
Ouais.
close?
I thought we were.
Wait, there's a note. It says, remember this.
That was
Transport
Operation
Consortium.
Spyglass.
Operation Spyglass. The telescope in the other room. This can't be a coincidence. What about the symbol? Recognize it?
No. We have everything we need. Let's go.
I think he wants us to see something. The telescope.
Il y avait
I
un
need to go and
truc...
take a look. And that symbol on the back of the picture has to be out there. Bingo. The marking on the back of this picture of you and him matches the logo on that ship out there. That's where he wants us to go.
He's dead, Bond. His own men killed him because he got greedy. Case closed, job done. I'm really not interested in going sightseeing in the arsehole of nowhere.
Only you would have made the connection to Operation Spyglass. Dead as he is, he's telling us something. We'll never know if we don't take a look.
Fine. But don't be surprised if this is nothing more than a ruse to finish off what he started in Slovakia.
Only one way to find out.
Ah, bonjour.
Housekeeping, I presume?
Ah, t'es en bas.
Oh, this is a first.
Ah, on va se faire manger par les crocodiles.
Bothma, how is it that you hear every whisper in every corner of Aleph? And I answer, I built Aleph with my will, my blood, my whole self. This city is an extension of my being, my body.
C'est pas gentil d'être méchant. Bah non, hein.
Today, it became infected. And as we all know, if an infection is left untreated, the body can become rotten, sicken, and die. That infection? Greed. In Bakar Ali, once so loyal, greed grew unchecked, becoming a cancer. A cancer that threatened to weaken Aleph, endangering all of us, everything we have built. However, cancer, if caught early, can be cured. Or in our case, cut out and served on a platter. Easy, girls. Plenty of meat for everyone.
For girls. Of course.
Our old friend was just
Normalement, la
the
cause sont
appetizer.
sympas. Ah, je crois qu'ils ont viré de bord à Aleph.
Did you really believe you could come here and poison Aleph's well of trust? I think not. Now, you die. Lower them.
Donne-moi un pistolet. Mais non, on
I'm
marchande.
afraid this is all a big misunderstanding.
Stop.
Beckett was dead when we found him on the boat.
Lies.
He got greedy. They always do. It was his own men who cut him down.
I find that very hard to believe.
Greenway, back me up here. Great. Just great.
Lower them.
Of course he's out cold.
Oh, for Christ's sake, Greenway, wake up.
Wait. This conversation bores me. Drop them. And let us watch the sands run red.
Oh, come on. Come on, wake up, Greenway. Jesus.
What the hell have you gotten us into?
Little help, please.
Thinking.
Think faster.
Harmony.
Know that if this is an attempt at deceiving me, I will erase your entire bloodline. Now, one more time.
Harmony. We know where she is. We have a location.
Get them out of there! Now!
Comme tes lunettes, tu ressembles à rien là. Mais c'est marrant parce que autant le Black, je sais plus comment il s'appelle là, il est vachement bien fait. Autant Lenny Kravitz, je trouve qu'il est pas trop bien réussi.
I'll be honest, this turn of events is most unexpected. I assumed you'd be Chow by now, so I...
Après, faudrait que j'arrive à que je trouve une photo de lui récente.
Today is a special day.
Mais de mes souvenirs, il était
Well, let me guess.
quand même pas comme
Beanie
ça.
isn't too happy with us.
She is most displeased. Oh, and before you leave, I would suggest checking in and around your seats for any surprises.
What kind?
The scorpion kind. She has a thing for them.
Hell hath no fury like a woman scorned for Land Rover.
Indeed. I must be going. Good luck out there. I hope you two find what you're looking for.
Get in. You're driving.
Il a dû prendre un coup de vieux. Ouais, non, mais même sans parler du coup de vieux, je sais pas, j'ai l'impression que son visage, il est pas trop bien fait.
Yeah, that's one way to put it. Harmony, the lost sister, right?
Right. Our get out of jail card. There's
Bon,
your
après,
ship.
ça va, il est pas non
If
plus
there's
immonde, hein,
something you want to
mais...
get off your chest, now's the time.
Why didn't we go directly to Badmer with the information we had on the sister? Why wait until the very last second to play your hand back there?
We do not give up valuable information if we can get what we want for free. It's all there, in the handbook. Front and center.
What happened between you and 009?
Operation
Oh, on peut faire nos
Nightfall.
propres traces. Trop
When
bien.
Thea was first instated, they discovered a mole ring at the top of British intelligence. 3 highly decorated 00 agents, including 009. I was tasked with tracking them down and neutralizing them.
Hell of a burden.
That's the job, Bob. You're given orders, and you're expected to follow them.
So you two were friends? Before Operation Nightfall? Before all of this? That's what it looked like in the picture of the two of you.
We went through the program together.
And they expected you to hunt him down.
Orders are orders, Bond. Besides, we stopped being friends the moment the man betrayed the Crown.
What happened to the other 2 agents?
Terminated. Didn't make a difference either. Because when 009 got away, they just buried the case. Shuttered the 00 branch and had me jockey a desk for the last 10 years. As a reminder of my failure.
But then M came along and revived the 00 program, right?
Her and the PM. Much to the chagrin of Bright. And now, here we are. In the middle of the desert, chasing clues on the side of a shipwreck from a dead traitor. While we wait for the other shoe to drop.
Those blonde twins. Have you ever come across them before?
No, but one hears stories. Nico and Tero Murdo. Supo, the Finnish security service, calls them the Great Whites.
The hair?
That, and because they're silent killers. Frankly, I'm amazed you survived the fight.
Next time I'll finish it.
Même le gameplay Même le gameplay voiture est lent. Bah après ça dépend parce qu'il y a eu la première mission en voiture, c'était de la course poursuite donc forcément c'était beaucoup plus rapide.
That was my plan.
Mais là les 2 dernières, je pense que c'est scripté donc ouais, c'est un peu plus lent. Ça permet d'attendre qu'il papote quoi.
One down, one to go.
Wouhou! Je fais ça tous les jours, bah ouais. Bah qui ne fait pas ça tous les jours?
That should do it.
Wouhou! Ça fait pas du tout mal aux mains ça.
Let's push on.
On n'est pas encore sur le bateau. Hein.
There's an entrance over there.
Right with you.
Listen, if Beckett rigged his boat, he'll have done the same thing here. You clever sod, Beckett.
What am I missing?
Left of the
What is that?
Cold War shorthand for marking safe rooms in the field.
What's it doing here?
He wants us to see something.
Faire attention aux
Any idea what he
pièges.
wants us to see?
Maybe nothing. This could still be a trap.
He wouldn't have gone to all this trouble.
He went to the trouble of blowing up the Carpathian.
Oh, I love what he's done with the place. Very rustic.
Take a look around for more markings. And watch your step.
Another booby trap here.
Ok. Paf. Ah bah oui, recoiffe-toi. C'est important.
Bond, are you there?
Money
Yeah.
Where the
penny.
hell have you been?
Oh, you know, just hanging around. About to be fed to a pit of crocodiles by Bavma after we found Beckett beaten and tortured in his boathouse.
He's dead.
Yeah, very much so.
Je peux passer par là. Alors. Je peux aller là-bas.
Careful.
Ou je pouvais passer par là. J'ai eu peur, et oh.
Let's see what these do.
Ascenseur de fortune. Ah oui, on se la joue Jack Sparrow. Ok. Wouhou!
Not going that way.
C'est plus safe de ce côté. Je peux peut-être désarmer. Hop. Bah, je peux pas. Je peux pas m'accroupir parce que j'ai essayé, mais là, il veut pas.
Won't get that open on my own. Need your help with this.
Can't do much from here.
Un 6 de bouclier.
Think there's something on the other side of that hatch.
Yeah, probably another one of his traps.
Well, if it is, at least we get to go out together with a bang.
Là, on est obligé d'attendre Greenway. Mais pour attendre Greenway, il nous faut la plateforme qu'elle a. peut-être que... On peut sauter depuis là, ça fait loin quand même. Après, est-ce que... Jusqu'où je peux aller comme ça? Jusque là. Je peux juste regrimper. Bah, c'est pas possible, qu'est-ce que j'ai raté?
More markings.
Ah. Ça.
Let's open the place up a little.
Ah, là-haut. Hop.
Thanks.
Look, I really don't believe this is a ploy to lead us into a trap.
You don't.
Look at all the trouble he's gone to. The picture on the boat, the Transworld logo, the glyphs only the Q-Lens can see. I think Beckett died to protect whatever's in there, knowing that you would find it.
Still doesn't change the fact that he blew up a hotel, killing our people, your friends. Turned his back on king and country.
Help me with this.
Chercher la cage de
Talk about
009.
being paranoid.
Didn't do him any good. Take a look through those crates.
Man puts doomsday preppers to
Équipement de
shame.
camping, tenue militaire, bottes de combat et rations.
Certainly no shortage of party favors.
Munitions explosives. Il était équipé le monsieur. Hein. C'est des conserves.
He wasn't leaving anything to chance.
C'est un survivaliste
ARs,
ou...
machine pistols, shoulder
Un
mounted
ensemble d'armes
heat-seeker.
comprenant des fusils d'assaut ainsi qu'un
Nice.
lance-missile pour un système de défense aérienne portatif. La
Really,
vache. Excuse-toi.
Reloading press. He was making
Kit
his
de
own
rechargement de
ammunition.
munitions permettant de personnaliser les cartouches, notamment les améliorer. Pour améliorer la précision, ajuster la vitesse des balles et adapter les charges à différents scénarios de combat. Il était prêt au moins.
You don't stockpile
Bah, du coup, ça
like
lui a
this
pas
unless you know
suffi, mais
something's
trousse
coming.
de soins. Ça lui a pas suffi, mais ouais, il était équipé. Hein.
This right here is a good old-fashioned self-destruct case from Q Branch. You listen to me very carefully. This might save your life one day. To disarm the triggering mechanism, take a hold of these catches on either side. Now turn them until they're horizontal at the same time. And open it. Hey, presto. We're not dead.
Voici la preuve Greenway. La preuve de quoi, pourquoi.
What is it?
009. Looks like he wasn't the culprit. He was the target.
What was that?
It's the other shoe. We were followed.
Prends une arme.
Bond, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
We got company coming. A lot of it.
I'll go and have a word then.
J'ai une arme au moins. C'est mon arme de service quand même.
Target same mercs from Slovakia.
Yeah, they're here for... And we led them straight to it.
Ah.
Keep them busy. I'll go get the Land Rover.
Cover my position.
Aïe! On peut pas prendre le lance-roquette là?
It's the same mercs from Slovakia.
Yeah, they're... Case. And we led them straight to it.
Throwing frag grenade.
Keep them busy. I'll go get the Land Rover.
Ah. C'est un peu tard. Au moins le mur il va pas casser. Ah mais il y en a un là. Ah. C'était pas trop ça le shoot, si je peux me permettre. Non, c'est pas trop ça le shoot. Je suis pas très douée. Moi, je préfère quand ça fait piou-piou que pan-pan.
It's the same mercs from Slovakia.
Yeah, they're here for the case. And we led them straight to it. Keep them busy. I'll go get the Land Rover.
Careful of the volatile! Where is... That's it, damn thing! Man down! Where'd he go? Throwing frag grenade! That's it! Down there! I'm hit! Look visual! Watch your back! I took a bullet! Close the distance. We need to hunt him down. Where is he? Can't see a damn thing. Take cover! Grenade out! Where is he?
Ouais, le pompe tire très loin, ouais.
He's looking for cover. Move up! Teammate down! Stop there! Jake!
Oh, yo. Mais...
Grenade away! Got it! He got one of us! No visual on target! It's just me and you!
Ok, il reste lui. Il fait quoi lui? Ah, c'est fort ça. Casse Noctis, coucou. Comment tu vas? Ça va bien et toi? Excuse-moi, j'étais concentrée et du coup je regardais plus. Elle rage, je me suis fait mal au dos. Oh bah non. Qu'est-ce que t'as fait?
He's here! Right here! He's changing...
Comment t'as fait pour te faire mal au dos? Hop, j'essaie de récupérer des balles.
Move off my target! I've got him!
Il en reste, oui. Dans ce temps-là.
Get back! Throwing frag grenade! Get down!
Oh. J'ai monté un escalator. Non, tu t'es fait mal en prenant un escalator? Comment t'as fait?
He's done for. He's fast. Watch out! He's holding. Throwing frag grenade.
Bah non, c'est pas ta période, non. Tu les enchaînes un peu en ce moment. Faux mouvement. Bah ma pauvre. Bon, on va reprendre lui. Plus de balles. Après, lui il a des balles, mais... Si je passe là, est-ce que je peux avoir plus de balles? Et ils ont pas tous les mêmes armes. Ah. On peut en récupérer sur le champ de bataille. La dernière fois, c'était en me levant du canapé, j'avais envie de fracasser l'escalator. Bah ouais. Il me semblait aussi qu'il y a pas si longtemps, t'avais déjà eu mal au dos.
There he is! Engaging!
Ah.
What the hell?
C'est la jeunesse. C'est ça. C'est la jeunesse.
Okay, bad news. They took out the Land Rover.
This is where you tell me you have a backup plan.
I have a backup plan.
Go on. Greenway? What's the plan?
Oh, je l'entends plus. Il a de la compagnie.
Same kid from Slovakia. He's got some minerals out there, I'll tell you that. To respect that. Anyway, this time we'll get what we came for.
Forêt d'escalator aussi.
Didn't see that coming, did you?
Attendez. Hop. Comme une sciatique. Bah, en plus, c'est vraiment... genre beaucoup en peu de temps. Donc c'est pas... possible, hein. J'ai plus de munitions. Aïe aïe aïe. juste repris le clavier souris le temps du combat. Mais c'est bientôt les grandes vacances, je peux pas être tout cassé. Bah ouais, ce serait dommage d'être d'être cassé pour les vacances quoi. Du coup tu profiteras pas de tes vacances. Lui il a 2 balles. Ah ouais, genre ça l'a pas tué. Mais pourquoi? Et pourquoi donc?
There's an army of them. Keep pushing forward while I work on our backup plan.
Yeah, which is?
A work in progress.
Grenade out! Get in! Light him up! He hit me!
Vas-y, mais il est résistant lui là.
He's in my sight!
Il y a des beaux pompiers qui vont passer, je pensais qu'ils venaient me sauver de mon mal de dos, je suis déçu, ils se sont pas arrêtés. Alors, on va courir par là. Hop. Il est où? Il est là en bas. Essayer de récupérer des munitions ou au moins des trucs. J'ai pas récupéré de munitions de pistolet. Je me demande si ouais, je devrais pas échanger mon pistolet. Du coup, il y a peut-être moyen de récupérer des balles sur leur truc à eux. Peut-être sur lui. On a au moins une vingtaine de balles quoi. Sachant quoi, il y avait ceux qui étaient là. On est pas mal en termes de munitions. Ça va être épique quand je vais me coucher. Ouais, j'espère pour toi que ce sera pas trop trop galère. Il a bien visé, oh.
Target acquired. Safety's on. Don't have visual. Look for him. We'll track him down. I think that's it. It's on his own. You're going down. Watch out. Frag grenade. He's moving. I've got him. No sign of the target. Say good night. We have casualties. He's cornered. Move in. We need more cover. Hold up. Flush him. Man down. Got him. Pressure his flanks.
Ok. Il y en a un qui m'a vu.
Throwing frag grenade. Put some pressure on him.
Ah.
Reloading. Lost visual. Ceasefire. Find him.
C'est le seul qui reste? Non, ils sont deux.
Stay calm. Wait, I've got eyes on him.
Ah, on est un peu obligé hein, d'être discret parce que sinon c'est un peu le... la galère. Même si y a des loupés. Hein. Faut que j'aille où? Là. Ah, moi j'aurais pas tenté. La discrétion? Trop nul à ce genre de truc. Ah, ça s'apprend. Après, le jeu est bien fait pour que t'aies pas vraiment besoin
Priming flash grenade.
de réfléchir. Quoi.
I'm in. Line. Push up. There, up there. I'm wounded.
M'agace lui.
It's not going anywhere unless we.
Ah,
Up top. Look. He's up there. Push around. Stay put. Rush him out. He's up there. No, up there. Throwing flashbang.
comment ça?
Move in now.
Comme une certaine connaissance au commun qui se tentera jamais sur du Resident Evil. Effectivement. Mais après, ouais, c'est des... Ça s'apprend, quoi. Après, Resident Evil, c'est un autre registre.
Don't let up. Look alive. He's close.
Comment ça, il est pas mort?
Stay put. I got visual. Here. Engine man. Wounded. It's right there. All right. I won't go down so easily. Come on.
Resident Evil 7 en VR? Vache.
Down there, look! Spread out. Find him and kill him. Now! Watch for explosives! Hurry grenade! I'm hurt! He's gone! Man down! Dug in good.
Immersif de fou. Bah, faut pas être une flippette. Ah bah, tu m'étonnes.
Case them. Don't let up.
Déjà sans être en VR, le truc il est déjà bien... bien chaud.
He shot me! Friendly casualty here. Where is it? We lost him. Using this.
He's hidden in the smoke.
I see him at my location.
Taking fire.
J'ai une flippette qui crie devant les grosses araignées aussi grosses qu'un immeuble. Après, t'es quand même une flippette qui lance Resident Evil. Est-ce que ça va me le recharger ça? Oui, parfait.
There he is.
Oh ouais, Greenway. Horrible les araignées aussi. Bah ouais. Mais je fais comment pour voir Léon? Ah tu prends un wallpaper.
Close. Second. What? Gear. Third. Fourth. I said fourth. Brace yourself.
Par contre les araignées en VR, ça doit être horrible. Genre les araignées de Resident Evil qui sont bien grosses, bien détaillées là. Miam miam. En vrai, le Resident Evil 4, il fait pas peur, c'est plus de l'action. Ouais, j'avais entendu qu'il y avait des Resident Evil qui étaient plus action, d'autres plus effrayants et d'autres un petit peu les deux.
The evidence. Explosive stuff.
All right.
I'm fine. We got a lot of company.
Let's give him a warm welcome.
Moving in on target.
Plus de balles.
Empty! Tell me you've another gun. Here, take it.
Ah, ok, on peut pas traverser le champ de bataille. Les araignées de Resident Evil en VR, je me vomis dessus, je crois, ou crise cardiaque. Ah, je pense que, ouais, une bonne crise cardiaque, je pense que... pense que ouais.
All right,
I'm fine. Got a lot of company.
let's give him a warm welcome.
Hop, on récupère un peu plus de balles quand même. Quoi. Ah mais y a pas un baril explosif vers eux là?
Empty! Tell me you've another gun? Here! Take it!
Je vais péter le seul baril explosif. Ah mais après je peux... Je peux faire ça. Et oui, ils sont plusieurs là-bas. Plus qu'une balle.
All out! Need another! Here! Take it!
Ah, il me refile un chargeur, ok. Au fait, je suis pas du tout déçu de mon achat de hier, Resident Evil 9. Ah, tu l'as commencé, ça y est? Ma mère va coller un procès à Capcom. Bon, je vais me garder le baril pour plus
Got a
tard.
lot of company.
Let's give him a warm welcome.
Yes, sir. Moving in on target.
La grosse araignée vient du 9. Ah, ok. J'avais vu le let's play où elle est dedans, là. Horrible.
Empty! Tell me you've another gun? Here! Take it!
Oh! C'est où que ça tire, là?
All out! Need another!
Here. Take it.
Ah, zut. J'ai raté.
We're all out.
Of course we are!
Là, je suis de retour à Raccoon City, j'ai mis en
Harsh
pause.
language?
J'ai attendu 10 minutes avant de relancer tellement j'ai flippé.
Give it a
Tu
shot.
m'étonnes.
Any last
Surtout que
words?
j'imagine que t'as pas vraiment de mode arachnophobie.
No.
Nothing. Not even a good job, Bond. You would have made a great 00.
Nothing springs to mind.
Of course not.
Ah. Oh, Lenny Kravitz qui est venu nous aider.
We're done here. Fall back. Fall back!